than a rule of reality, which leads to a deeper question. Is the speed of light truly a limit, or just a limit of information transfer? Now, imagine a different possibility. What if there are layers of reality we cannot access because we are bound inside this limit? Like being underwater, trying to understand the sky above. We interpret everything through a restricted medium, and that medium defines what we believe is possible, but not necessarily what is real. Some modern theoretical frameworks suggest that space-time itself might emerge from deeper structures. In such models, the speed of light is not fundamental, but derived, a consequence of something more basic underneath reality. If that is true, then changing the underlying structure could, in theory, change the limit itself. There are even speculative ideas in physics where different regions of the universe could have different effective speeds of light, or where exotic conditions might allow shortcuts through space-time, such as wormholes or warped geometry. These are not confirmed realities, but they show something important. The limit is still an open question, not a closed door. And here is where the psychological tension appears. We naturally assume that limits define what is impossible, but in physics, limits often define what is currently accessible. History has already shown this pattern. There was a time when breaking the sound barrier was considered impossible, a time when heavier-than-air flight was considered impossible, a time when atoms were thought indivisible. Each final limit was later revealed to be a stepping stone. So the question becomes uncomfortable, but unavoidable. Is the speed of light truly the last wall, or just the edge of our current understanding? If it is not final, then everything changes. Communication, travel, time itself. The structure of the universe becomes more flexible than we imagined. But if it is final, then reality has a built-in boundary that even the deepest laws cannot cross. Either way, the conclusion is profound. We are not outside the universe observing its rules. We are inside it, discovering them one layer at a time. So perhaps the real mystery is not whether we can break the speed of light, but whether we have already reached the edge of what breaking even means. And as you reflect on that, consider this final thought. Every limit in physics once looked absolute until it wasn't. And somewhere in the quiet fabric of space-time, the answer is still waiting.